Have you ever watched a single leaf drift from a tree? It simply lets go, twirling in a silent dance until it rests on the earth. This is nature's quiet invitation, asking only for a moment of your time. Sunlight filters through the canopy, painting shifting patterns on the forest floor. A bird sings a song it has sung for generations. These gentle moments are always there, offering a soft whisper that reminds us to breathe. The world of the wild is a world of subtle details. A spider's web glistening with dew, the earthy smell after rain, the rough bark beneath your hand. We're trained to seek the spectacular, but nature's gifts are found in the small and quiet. These details pull us into the present, asking only that we notice them. This invitation isn't a command, it's a soft suggestion. You don't need to climb a mountain, just look out your window. Notice the clouds. Listen to the wind in the trees. This quiet world exists alongside our own, a place where things grow and decay in a natural cycle. By observing, we absorb its peace, letting its unhurried pace settle our hurried hearts. To accept this invitation is to return to a simpler way of being, not driven by deadlines or notifications. The forest doesn't check its email, the river doesn't worry about its schedule. In their presence we can learn to just be. The warmth of the sun, the rustle of leaves, these are gentle reminders that we are part of this world. We only need to remember how to listen to its quiet, constant call. Now think of your daily life. A world of noise and constant stimulation. Screens buzz with notifications, emails pile up, and the city hums with relentless energy. Our minds are rarely quiet, always processing, always reacting. This constant state of high alert leaves us tired but wired, unable to truly rest. We've become disconnected from natural rhythms, forgetting what it feels like to be still. Our senses are dulled, we stop noticing the world around us. We've built a world for efficiency, but lost connection, wonder, and peace. The result is a profound sense of disconnection, from nature, from each other, and from ourselves. The constant noise drowns out our inner voice. We search for a quiet space where we can finally just be. Science now explains what we've always felt. A walk in the woods truly makes us feel better. Time in green spaces lowers stress hormones, slows our heart rate, and relaxes our muscles. Our overworked brains get a break, the prefrontal cortex quiets down. Other brain areas linked to emotion and empathy light up. Nature exposure lifts our mood, lowers depression and anxiety, and even boosts our immune system. The Japanese practice of forest bathing is about simply being among trees. Forest air is rich with beneficial compounds we breathe in. Even our memory and attention improve after time in nature. Studies show a walk in the park restores the mind more than a city street. Nature gently engages our minds, letting our focus recharge. Our connection to nature is a biological necessity. We are designed to thrive in the natural world. Science is finally proving just how vital that connection is. Modern life demands constant focus, quickly draining our mental energy. When we're depleted, we become irritable and distracted. Nature offers a remedy through what psychologists call soft fascination. Watching clouds, listening to a stream, these gently hold our attention without demanding it. This allows our minds to rest and recover like soaking a tired muscle. After time in nature, we feel sharper and more capable. Nature provides escape, richness, gentle engagement, and compatibility with our need for peace. It's the perfect antidote to our overstimulated lives. Science can measure stress hormones, but not the full magic of being in nature. There's a deeper healing, a sense of awe, connection, and perspective. Nature shrinks our problems, reminding us we're part of something vast. In the quiet woods, we feel a spiritual belonging to the web of life. Nature unlocks emotions, offering comfort and resilience. It's a gentle, non-judgmental space to process feelings and find balance. In nature, we remember who we are beneath the noise. The peace we find is a magic we can feel, even if we can't measure it. How do we return to this place of healing? It starts with a single, gentle step. The invitation is always open, you only need to accept it. Start small, sit on a park bench, feel the sun, listen to the birds. Let go of the need to be productive or entertained. Allow yourself moments of quiet observation. These small acts of connection are deeply nourishing. As you spend more time in nature, you'll notice a shift within yourself. The world seems brighter, the noise less jarring. You breathe more deeply, feel more grounded. This isn't escape, it's living more fully. By reconnecting with nature, you reconnect with your truest self. Go outside. Let the wild world remind you of your own wild and precious nature. Nature is always waiting with quiet patience for your gentle return.